Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to clean Samsung 4K TV screen. Let's go. Do not use paper. Disconnect the TV from the power supply before cleaning. Use microfiber cleaning cloths or electronics cleaning screen wipes. Microfiber cleaning cloths for dry cleaning. Electronics cleaning screen wipes for wet cleaning. Wipe the TV with a dry microfiber cloth. After you have removed all the dust, you can start wet cleaning. Do not use any detergents. They will ruin the screen. That's it. Now you know how to clean Samsung 4K TV screen. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.